It is high time we need to discuss lockdown. Really, there's no two ways. We have to discuss lockdown. It's not going to be about press conferences all the time and just discussing where we are. Watu wanasema mambo ya economic challenges. Let me tell you, I know for a fact we can be able. Kenya's population is very vibrant. Kenya's population are innovative people. We can be able to recover kiuchumi. But I am worried, kiafya will not be able to recover, my friend. You know, when you ask for a lockdown, there are so many simulations that are brought to you. People talk about economic challenges, people paying mortgages, people paying these loans. My question is, wewe unataka kulipa loan ama ukufe? You can renegotiate your loan terms. You can renegotiate your mortgage terms. And everybody in the world understands the situation today. But we need you to be alive and well, to be able to come back to life and work for what you have lost over a short period of time.